Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Jeff, and I'm here just for a moment to talk about the Homelite 5-ton Ram Force electric log splitter. And this is part number or model UT49103. Very simple and easy to use. Make sure you get a nice, strong extension cord if you're going to use one, which you probably will because it's not super long. And this is where the log will split into. Here is your handle. This is so cool. Before I open up anything, and it just kind of stands on end when you want to pack it away. Really nicely built. And it just comes right on down. When you're ready to use it, you'll see the power button there. But first you will want to make sure to loosen this bleed screw at least 2 full turns, and you will feel the air coming out once you turn on that power button. Again, you'll feel the air coming out, and so you've got the unit ready. And it's going to take 2 hands to split a log. And give me a moment and I will show you how that goes. Okay, so just a simple log. I'm just going to show you. It cuts some huge logs, but I just need to split a bunch of oak, which is tough. So again, I will use the green button here, the lever here at the same time. Let's see. Give me a second. Okay. So again, lever here, power, that's it. Comes right on back, really nice and easy. And you know, I needed some. I'm going to cut them in a bunch of smaller pieces just to make it easier to get things started. And since it is an oak, stuff is definitely dense. That's as easy as it is. I mean, it's really easy. Pardon me, slow. You don't have to worry about it. So this is an example of something that may happen, but okay, so you can stop if you want, or make some cute little kindling, or make some little kindling or whatever, and just come back here, restart it all over again. This side. Go. I mean, it's a great tool. I can't tell you how much I've loved having it. It's made life way easier. So I definitely highly encourage one. Enjoy.